Hey guys, Barry here with Epic, and in today's video we will be unboxing and going on a complete overview of the InMotion V12S EUC. In terms of tools, I think the only tool we're going to need are side cutters to open this box, because as you know, most EUCs, they come fully assembled out of the box, and I don't think this one will be any different. So let's crack her open. All right, so at the top of the box, we're going to find our charger and charger cable. Uh-oh. We got a European charger cable, so we're going to need to change that in motion. And we got our manual as well. Let's take a look at this charger. Yes, it's an 84 volt, 2.8 amp charger. 235 watts. So yeah, I believe it's a European standard. Here's the reveal of the EUC. It's a very nice champagne kind of color. Actually kind of matching what I'm wearing today. Beautiful, beautiful EUC. Look at that. The pedals are first thing I noticed too, other than the cool deck design and cool design here, but the pedals even have the two-tone color. I like that. Big, wide spiked pedals, black with the champagne, similar to the frame. Although this frame probably will be covered with pads, but you'll still have the top part showing. Got speakers as well, so you can play music, which is very nice. They actually also have the Ride Connect feature on the InMotion V12S. So if somebody else has a compatible InMotion, such as the V12S or even the V9 has it, you guys can sync your music together, which is great. We've tried it out before on the V9 and it works very nicely. So you have here, you can see this is kind of a hybrid style tire. It's a 16-inch by 3-inch wide tire. You can see the middle kind of has the street tire and the sides have the knobs. So for a little off-roading, that's great. So you can use a little bit of both of them. It's 2,500 watt, 3,000 watt nominal power motor with a peak power of 6,000 watts. Top speed of this EUC will be 70 kilometers per hour. Total weight of the EUC is about 77 pounds. So it's a, mid to large size EUC. And I think it's actually an excellent value for what you get. It's an 84 volt system, 1440 watt hour battery, which they claim to get you a range of up to 120 kilometers. But real world, we're looking at somewhere between 70 to 80, probably tops, which is still plentiful, of course. It has a nice 12 watt, huge adjustable light at the front, and as well a massive 4.3 inch touchscreen LCD display on the top. Nice trolley handle, easy disconnect to lift your wheel. There's a button underneath on the handle as well. Okay, turn it around. You got a brake light and ambient lighting all around once we power her up. Over here, you got a USB-C, USB-A, by the way, with fast charger, so you could charge your phone. And you got 2 charging ports if you want to get an additional charger and double the speed of your charge. You can certainly do that. Kickstand's already built on. Full fenders. Like I said, this thing's ready to go. No building necessary, like most EUCs nowadays. This EUC, I believe, is going to compete or compare with a new one coming out. The first one on my mind is the NOSFET Eon that's has just been released. It's kind of the specs and sizing to me, although I haven't seen it yet, it seems to be pretty similar to that. This one might be a little bit heavier, I'm not sure, but weighing in at 77 pounds, but does have a little bit, you know, different features, obviously a way different look. You got the speakers here. Another thing is it has the Ride Connect that has 4G cellular here, so you can actually track your EUC, get a notification if somebody takes it, and even lock it on the go. So excellent security features on that. Let's try to power her up. Okay, so activate now. Activate successfully. Confirm. Vehicle authentication is required for operations such as lock vehicle and app. Do you want to verify it as owner now? I'm going to skip for now. Somebody else might own it. You can do this later. In me, owner authorization. Okay, confirm. All right, so we're in the EUC, and take a look at this. This is, I'm going to say, by far the nicest full color display I've ever seen on an EUC ever. Really nice. It really easy to see, like the percentage of the battery, voltage you have left, your speed, you got your time, lock, lights. It's touchscreen too, so look at that. Let's see, yeah. Lights on, lights off right from here. You have settings actually right on the screen, so you can go into your settings and this is awesome. So you don't even really need the app, where before on every other EUC you have to go into the app to most of the time, like to get to the main settings. But here it's displayed for you. You could look, calibrate it as well, balance the wheel, different modes. You got comfort mode and sport mode. Comfort mode will be probably a little less aggressive, more smooth. Sport will be a lot more aggressive. You know, transport mode here, power assist you can add on. So if you want to have what InMotion is really good is with helping you accelerate or decelerate. So that's what the assist mode is referring to, I believe. Light and sound, so ambient light, or the volume, so we can increase the volume. Probably for the speakers, had it set to 20%, so I'll just put it back, put it back to 27%, it's fine. Sound wave, I'm not sure yet what that is. I gotta figure that out. Other parameters, change languages, metric, imperial, easy to change between kilometers to miles per hour, depending where you are. About vehicle, so it'll give you your serial number, stuff like that. BMS, display board versions, main board versions, BMS versions, other parameters. Yeah, really nice. Okay, so you got full settings in here. Let's take a look at the lighting for a second. Ambient light. So as you can see, there is the lighting here, and there's probably, like, I think I read somewhere that there's around like 250 different light modes that you can do. Another great feature, of course, is that the battery, it's UL 2272 certified, so the highest standards of safety for batteries in North America. Has the Raptor Y, their famous Raptor Y controller here for the smoothness. Samsung 50S battery cell, so very high-end battery cells, and good smart battery management system. And overall, I really like it. My first impressions of it is really good, really positive. This is the InMotion V12S. Check it out. It's available now at epiccycles.ca, or come into our store, check it out in live action for yourself. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, drop a line below. Otherwise, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more awesome content. We'll see you on our next video. Have an epic day or night.